You've been invited to the New Year's Eve party, and of course you like to bring something sweet with you to the party. Well, here at Asai Guy Cooks, we've got you covered with champagne bundt cake. So let's get started. Let's prepare the dry ingredients. Time for the wet ingredients. Let's build the cake. Set your timer for 70 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Champagne is a form of sparkling wine that was originally produced in the Champagne wine region of France. The oldest recorded sparkling wine dates back to 1531. The toothpick test was performed and came out clean, so the cake is done. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get a portion of this champagne bundt cake on a plate. Let's have a bite. Wow, the champagne provides an amazing citrus flavor, along with an incredible butter flavor. This cake just melts in your mouth. Join the community, leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. This cake will definitely help ring in the new year. Stay with us. Watch another video.